DIY career, which has been quite extensive, are my go-to plugs. I generally go for the brown plugs, and I use a size 7 drill, and I find that these work for me on most of the different properties I work on, and it means that I can use more substantial screws, particularly if you're screwing into walls in old houses, like old Victorian houses where the plaster can be quite thick, particularly with this long, slightly longer plug on the right hand side. You can knock that through a batten or something and then knock it firmly into through the plaster and then into a brick, so it makes for a much stronger fixing in brick or concrete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and do give it the thumbs up, like it, and then hopefully we'll be able to help a few people. So ideally I'd use one or other of these two brown plugs. I drill a hole with a 7mm drill, and then those plugs will take a screw from size 4 to size 6, so that gives you a good deal of strength when you're doing your DIY projects.